I actually bought this 2 weeks ago. It took 4 days to ship to a separate company that we call in South Africa RMX, and it took 4 days to ship from Steam to there, and then from RMX to from the New York towards South Africa to my house, which was today. I believe it was 10 days, and I'm very excited because you cannot get them in South Africa, and they actually shipped them to me. Thanks again to RMX for that. So I did open it at the bottom. If you look carefully, it was opened at JFK to check for the battery, because you're not allowed to ship certain items if it contains a battery. Luckily, didn't have any issues. They approved it, everything. Thank goodness for that. But yeah, I already just cut it open, everything at the bottom, because the problem was I didn't have a knife with me now. So yeah, but I already cut it open. This is what the box looks like when it comes, and then yeah, there we have it. The controllers, left and right, the manual, your I believe it's two cables. Your right controller, the left controller is actually, I think, already fully charged, if I'm correct. This is actually amazing. I was so excited to get a hold of a pair, and now I have them in my hands. So I'm actually excited of testing them tonight. But yeah, this is just a short, sweet little bit of unboxing of the two controllers and all its attachments. So yeah, I noticed this actually, and I read the manual. It says if you have big hands, this is actually adjust. Small hands on top, big hands at the bottom. So it's bloody quite nice. And look, I already adjusted them to my hands when I tested them. This is very, very nice. But yeah, so yeah, this is yeah, and also I already touched this already. So yeah, but I'm actually happy about this. For the gentleman who actually bought them for me, I just had to pay the shipping. So yeah, it was actually bloody nice. Thanks again, and I'm gonna have fun today, trust me. Hope to see you all in the chat, and thanks for watching.